All right, so video time. We're gonna do an unboxing video. I know these are wildly popular on YouTube. I did and went all fanboy and bought a MacBook Pro, and I bought it from the Apple certified refurbished area on apple.com, and I'll put a link below to that. I have a friend whose wife works for Apple, and I talked to him a little bit, and he said that you absolutely cannot go wrong buying from the refurbished site. So we're gonna find out if that's true or not. And just a quick once over on the box, it is amazing. It's brand new. It looks brand new. You know, it's the only difference is right here. It says Apple certified refurbished. I bought a 1.4 gigahertz quad core processor, 8 gigs RAM, 256 gig SSD drive, and it comes with a touch bar. It's from July 2019, so essentially it's brand new. Yeah, so let's open it and see what it looks like inside. Okay, let's do this. So, go as well as we planned. Let's have a look here. Okay. All right, so there's the computer. Let's take this out. Set this aside for a sec. Put that aside. All right, so just in a 2-second quick glance, I mean, it's absolutely perfect. There's not a mark on it, not a ding on it. It looks absolutely brand new. So let's open her up here, have a look. Take that off. Yeah, everything is perfect. So I'm not exactly sure what they recertify. I've heard that they put a new case on it, a new screen possibly, and a new keyboard. And the only thing that they actually have is the internals, the motherboard and that kind of thing is the only thing that's saved from the one that they're refurbishing. So far so good. Let's see what else we got in the box. So looks like a power cord. That also looks brand new. And a power brick, which also is absolutely brand new. And then the little instruction manual. Let's see, so a couple stickers, warnings and whatnot, and the little 3-page instruction manual. So I would say, first glance, it is essentially a brand new laptop. I'm incredibly impressed. Haven't used a Mac in years, so it'll be an interesting learning curve. But yeah, I don't know if you can see it. And again, I'll put a link to the refurbished site down below in the thing and in the description. And please comment if you've bought something from apple.com refurbished and let me know what you thought. All right, so thank you for joining me for this unboxing, and we're gonna give this a go. And I'm hoping to do some updated videos along my MacBook journey. I needed a new laptop, so I decided to try a Macintosh. And like I said, I found this one on apple.com on the refurbished site. It was a couple $100 off. Essentially, this year's model. Essentially, it's 6 months old, so it's in great. You know, it's what I wanted. So. One thing I have heard about the Apple refurbished site, that if you do find something that you want, that you should buy it quickly. Stuff, especially newer stuff, doesn't last very long on the site. So if you are looking on there and you do find the product that you want, it's my understanding that you might want to make a jump on it and get it quickly. So far, like I said, I haven't powered it on. We'll do that. I'm going to set it up. And then maybe I'll do, you know, my first month with the new MacBook Pro and see how that goes. But so far I'm incredibly impressed. The machine looks brand new. All of the power supply, the cable are all brand new. The case is absolutely brand new. There's not a mark on it. So it's very, very nice. So so far I'm a huge fan. We'll see, you know, ultimately how it goes, but so far so good. One thing you do get I think it's 14-day return policy where you can bring it back within 14 days, and you do get a 1-year warranty, so it's essentially the same as on any new product. And then I did buy the extended Apple Care program, and I think it was $260 for an extra 2 years of coverage. And this one does come with the keyboard warranty as well, for I believe it was the Bad Butterfly spring keyboards where some of them were sticking. So hopefully I don't run into that problem, but in case I do, I am eligible to get this fixed. So far so good. Thanks for watching.